So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bail with William O'Neill India, dated July 12, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of Basel, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. So, investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So now let's talk about Nifty chart analysis for yesterday and for the past few days as well. As you all know, Nifty is making new highs, and Nifty is able to go above its previous high of 18,888.7. It's currently trading around 19,439. But for the last few sessions, uh, like last four sessions, if you probably count one, two, three, and four, Nifty is finding stiff resistance in the range of 19,100 near the 19,510 to 19,520 mark, and it's not able to move ahead of that. Even if you talk about yesterday's session, Nifty went near that mark, and you can see it formed like a reversal candle and closed near somewhere near the day's lows. So, and in all these sessions, you can see volumes was near the average mark. We are in confirmed uptrend now as the previous highs have been broken, and Nifty is making on volumes lower than the previous day. So when Nifty fell on Friday, the volumes on Friday was lower than that of Thursday. So we didn't record uh, Friday's session as a distribution day. So currently the distribution day count still stands at 0, which is a really good sign. And as you can see, the green line, that is the 21 DMA, has acted as a good support for Nifty. And going forward as well, till the point in time Nifty is not able to go above that 19,510 mark, that is going to be a stiff resistance for Nifty. And the green line, that is the 21 DMA, is expected to be a good support for Nifty. Going forward, if the distribution day counts increases, the market status might get into under pressure. If the distribution day counts continues to remain low, the market status will remain in confirmed afternoon. So talking about some key news, ITC's board recommended the reappointment of Sajiv Puri as chairman and management director for an additional period of 5 years with effect from July 22, 2024. Delta Corp and Nazara will be in focus as the GST Council levied 28% uniform GST on online gaming, horse racing, and casinos. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank's IPO is set to open from today to Friday. The Small Finance Bank has set the price band for its issue at rupees 23 to 25 per share. The company plans to raise 500 crores from this offering. Uh, Lupin received the establishment inspection report from the US FDA for its Pithampur Unit 2 manufacturing facility. US FDA conducted inspection of the facility from March 21 to March 29. So as the result season has started, so these are the companies that are expected to remain in focus. TCS, HCL Tech, 5paisa Capital, Anand Rathi Wealth, and Steel Strips Well will remain in focus ahead of the quarterly earnings on July 12th, that is today. Talking about the global market update, the US security market had a very strong move yesterday. All the three indices closed higher, as you can see. Dow Jones was the key gainer or or gained the most, but Dow Jones gains by 0.9%, S&P 500 by 0.7%, and Nasdaq Composite by 0.6%. On the contrary, Asian markets have been trading flatter or in the negative or in a slightly negative bias, as you can see. Cost price trading flat at 0%. Shanghai Composite is trading lower by 0.1%, and Nikkei is trading lower by 0.7%. Talking about a very own GIFT Nifty. So GIFT Nifty is also indicating a higher opening. Yesterday's close was somewhere in the range of 19 for 439, 440 levels. Last trade for your gifts Nifty was around 19,547, 550 levels. But as I already discussed, that the 510 to 520 is acting as a stiff resistance for Nifty. So if Nifty, if indicated by GIFT Nifty is able to go beyond that or above that, then you can expect Nifty to make new highs. Otherwise, those levels is expected to act as stiff resistance for Nifty. So now let's talk about the chart of the day. The chart of the day for us is Siemens. The stock is forming a stage 3 cup with handle base, as you can see, and currently it's forming the handle formation. And yesterday it reclaimed its 50 DMA and 21 DMA, but as you can see, the volumes were slightly lower than average. It would, if it would have been above average, it would have been a very, very good sign for the stock. The RS line has started to move higher a bit. Overall, the EPS strength for the stock is very good. Buyer demand is also good. Price strength is fair, but your RS line is slightly moving higher. Overall, the sector or the industry is pretty much in focus. And as you can see, the stock is just 2% to pivot. If the stock is able to break out, but is able to break out on above average volumes, sustain on volumes, then it can be a good sign for the stock. Similarly, as you can see, the stock has been delivering above average results, superior results for the last 4 to 5 quarters. And similarly, fund holding for the stock has also been improving. ROE is stable at 13%. So overall, as you can see, uh, there is a prior uptrend for the stock as well. And going forward, if the stock is able to break out and break out on above average volumes, then it can be a good stock to watch out for, considering the sector in momentum and its peers in momentum as well. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Prevail with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday, 8:45 a.m. sharp.